and cautioned. Akula muntu oyesibindi ukwedlula lujaha ngento zakithi. Well done Babongile Skhonjwa, the free spirit. Well done Baba kaGugulo Qobo. Well done Ubuligugu Qobo esizweni. Well done. You defined your life explicitly so well. And this poetic piece will neither be added by sugar, salt, vinegar, or sweet somethings. The story of your life, Babongile, cannot be flavored further by any spices or salt. It can never again be diluted. You were and you have been Usomahlaya, the smile maker. Is not Babongiwe, is not Babonjile. He was never a she. Abantu kabakuzwe. Lo Babongile Skhonjwa, uBhanya, umsele kaNdaba, uBhabhulza, umRifiti, kuSolomon noGagasi. Yedwa umngane kaTown Clerk. Indebele kuyilo lodwa elame eceleni kuka Mayweather. Indebele leDubai. Indebele rockstar. Siyabonga Skhonjwa. A creative legend, a voice that built bridges across generations, a broadcaster whose presence filled the airwaves, a radio personality who turned the frequencies into family, a DJ who knew how to lift the spirits of the people, an MC who made everyone feel at home, and who made everyone at home to feel the skies. Indeed, a cultural activist who stood tall and proud, in Ndebele without apology, in Ndebele Dubai, a people's man, Umgogodla, Weboso, Agalituge Bantwabami, Agalituge Bantwabami, Limituge, futhi ningazisoli, ngoba singabantu, futhi sajatshulwa yizo. Yesintu vele sidazona, kusile silala ngazo, asizizili yizo esivele inhlamba simuswa ngazo. Akalituke bantwabami. Akalituke bantwabami. Uselele ugodla yomnama, uMahlaba ithwale, uselaqobo. Red Cafe will never be the same. Richmond Recreation Club will never be the same. Sky's Metro FM will never be the same. Star FM will never be the same. Ichira Moya will never be the same. How many of us are proud of who they are? How many of us can defend our cultural rights and identities without an apology? How many of us can walk with the Babongile Skhonjwa walk, a walk of courage, a walk of peace, a walk of identity, a walk of a true Ndebele, a walk of power? Banqobe ijealous, banqobe ubandlululo, banqobe inketha bechabi, banqobe izibopho zobona, banqobe ibhabhalazi, lokufuna lokulakathelela ukuvuselelwa lokudlondlobala kwesizwe samaNdebele. Bangaki phakathi kwethu abakavusa amakhanda sokunzima, sokugalula inhlanzi, ingwede sezikhitshwa ngamanzi, sokutshitsha ufuthu. Bangaki phakathi kwethu abakaphakamisa ikhanda sokunzima. Bangaki kithi abangafikela intundla zingasafikeli. Lalakade Skhonjwa ikhuluma ngale indoda elikawe, inhlanzi yaqansa izihlahla ikhuluma ngale indoda elikawe, ufutho lotshitsha sokunzima ikhuluma ngale licela khona elaqula laqandula indlela yesintu. Bayethe sibongile Skhonjwa, sibongile madoda abadala, sibongile sithuna. Inyoni engazange yatshitsha ukukhala kwayo loba itshitsha indawo. The proud man of the soil. Babongile has always been Babongile. What a marvel, what a legend, what a creative, what a broadcaster, what a DJ, what an MC, a creative legend, a voice that built bridges across all generations. Babongile, what a cultural activist. Indoda emathetheni, inkunzi abayali ukuyigweba, inkunzi eyavula yafota, a proud Ndebele. What a man, indoda yamadoda. Umulilo owatshisa amagagasini, umlilo owashisa amagagasi, umulomo owavusa amangoromela nejusi lakamsilikazi, umsinto owaba ngumculo waqandula amacebo amatsha, umsinto owaba inkulumo yakhuthaza yakha, umsinto owaba isibindi esabonda savuthisa isizwe, umsinto owasinda amasenda abasolayo bavuma bahlala phansi balala.